Paris awaits. The 2024 Olympic Games are coming. Get ready for the biggest sporting event in the world. The 2024 Olympic Games are coming to Paris, France from July 26th to August 11th, 2024. Mark your calendars because you won't want to miss a moment of the action. Paris is a city known for its beauty, history, and passion for sport. The world will be watching as athletes from every corner of the globe compete for glory. The opening ceremony will be a spectacle unlike any other. Imagine the River Seine transformed into a floating stage with the Eiffel Tower as a breathtaking backdrop. This is how Paris will welcome the world to the Games of the 33rd Olympiad. For 17 thrilling days, Paris will be the heart of the sporting world. Athletes will push their limits, chase their dreams, and inspire us all with their dedication and talent. The closing ceremony will be just as unforgettable as the opening ceremony, marking the end of an extraordinary event and passing the torch to the next host city. The Paris 2024 Olympics will feature 32 sports and 329 events. From swimming to gymnastics, from basketball to athletics, there's something for everyone to enjoy. Track and field events will take place at the Stade de France, a stadium known for its electric atmosphere. Imagine the roar of the crowd as the world's fastest man and woman race for gold. Basketball fans will be treated to world-class competition at the Arena Porte de la Chapelle. The USA basketball teams will be aiming for gold again, but they'll face tough challenges from countries like Spain, France, and Australia. Swimming, diving, and water polo will take place in the Seine River, with the Eiffel Tower providing a stunning backdrop. This unique setting will make these events even more memorable. Paris is a city that needs no introduction. Its iconic landmarks, charming streets, and rich history make it one of the most visited destinations in the world. Now, imagine this beautiful city as the backdrop for the Olympic Games. The Champs-Élysées, one of the most famous avenues in the world, will host the cycling road race. Picture the peloton speeding past the Arc de Triomphe, creating a truly iconic moment. The Palace of Versailles, a masterpiece of French architecture, will provide a stunning setting for the equestrian events. The Grand Palais, a magnificent glass-roofed building, will host fencing and taekwondo competitions. Paris is ready to welcome the world with open arms and share its unique charm with the global Olympic family. Section 4, Legendary Athletes and Rising Stars. The Paris 2024 Olympics will feature some of the biggest names in sports. Superstar gymnast Simone Biles will be aiming to add to her already impressive medal haul. Can she make history again in Paris? Swimmer Katie Ledecky, one of the most dominant athletes of all time, will be chasing more gold medals in the pool. Her races are always a must-watch, and Paris will be no different. In track and field, all eyes will be on Usain Bolt's successor. Who will be crowned the world's fastest man in Paris? The competition will be fierce. But the Olympics aren't just about established stars. They're also a chance for young athletes to make a name for themselves on the world stage. Who will be the breakout stars of the Paris 2024 Games? Section 5. More than just games, a celebration of unity and inspiration. The Olympic Games are more than just a sporting event. They're a celebration of human achievement, sportsmanship, and global unity. For a few weeks, the world comes together in the spirit of friendly competition and shared passion. The Olympics inspire us to be our best selves. We see athletes pushing their limits and overcoming adversity, and it reminds us that anything is possible with hard work and determination. The Games also promote cultural exchange and understanding. Athletes and fans from all over the world come together, breaking down barriers and fostering friendships that transcend borders. In a world often divided, the Olympics remind us of our shared humanity and the power of sport to unite us. Section 6. Get ready to witness history. The Paris 2024 Olympic Games promise to be an unforgettable event. With its iconic setting, world-class athletes, and spirit of global unity, Paris 2024 will be an experience like no other. So mark your calendars, book your flights, and get ready to witness history in the making. Let the countdown to Paris 2024 begin.